See, I know say I don't too shoot now, but let bygones be bygone. One of my good friends tell me say make I dey use dialogue in the solve team problems. Because as e be now, na relegation we dey go, so niggas fire. Na him make I dey ask una now, wetin be una personal problems? Oya, make I start with you, Pepe. Wetin you want make I do so that una go fit dey score goal and win game?
Coachy, I feel say we need creative midfielder or even winger wey go fit dey help us to dey break people defense like this.
Okay. Wait, make I ask you one question. You no be winger?
I be winger.
Dem buy you only to come dey cross ball?
No, sir.
Good. As dem buy you to come play for wing, so you still expect to make them give you person wey go dey create ball for you, ba?
Coachy, I beg, no be wetin I mean. I score goal for you for that game, oh.
Don't die! Chris, kill you there. Oya, you William, wetin you want make I dey do for now?
Coachy, if I tell you wetin dey my mind, you go still shoot me.
Okay. Thank you for not wasting time.
Coachy, I beg.
Idiot. No be for my hand, I go relegation. Oya, Lacazette, your turn.
Hello? Ateta, this one way they call me. Hope say them never sack you.
No, I still dey. Them never sack me.
Wetin dey happen now? Hope say they prepare yourself for another thrashing. Because as I dey now, 7-0 they hungry me.
Calm down first now, make we talk.
Let me talk with the talk, so. As I dey now, I never chop for 1 week. The only thing with the hungry me na to spare Arsenal.
Oh, wait, make we talk first now. Why you dey do like this?
Wetin you want talk?
I get proposal for you.
I dey hear.
Allow me make I draw you.
That one no fit happen.
Wait first now, make I talk finish.
Okay.
If you allow me draw you, ba, I go dash you Xhaka for January transfer.
See nonsense, Who that one help? Them tell you say I like red card? If Okokoma tell me say you want dash me red card, nah. Now where everybody they carry you catch cruise. Now you they propose this dirty business, give me.
I beg now. Oya, who you want collect?
Give me Bukayo Saka and Martinelli. Make I dash you Kai.
Kai, damn buroba. Which kind of business they do like this now? Just pity me.
Na pity I dey pity you now. You know how much I take by Kai? You know the kind potential that guy get?
Thunder scatter your mouth there. Now who potential help? Potential enjoy your generation, idiot. No worry, I go shock you.
Oga sorry. On Saturday, Chelsea go waka go Emirates Stadium. Arsenal never win match for the past 7 EPL games. In fact, them don't lose 5 of them. Wetin you think say go happen for that match against Chelsea?
They don't die now. I don't even know why they ask me this kind of question. Shebi you talk say Momo question not there today.
Sorry, sir.
Arsenal no be big club again now. In fact, Arsenal no be football club safe. Now just group of boys who just gather together come play ball. Man City vs Newcastle go tough pass Arsenal Chelsea match. I just the wait make them sack Arteta.
I no understand how Arsenal, where they almost got relegation, just come from nowhere, win on a 3-1. When I been there sleep,
Coachy, na ref help them.
you say waiting.
Nothing, sir.
Coachy, I beg pity us now. Na bad luck cause make we lose that game. Now who talk just now?
Not true will, sir.
Coachy. If I tear your tongue come out from that your nonsense mouth, ba, you go tell me whether na bad luck play the match. Jorginho, how far na? What thing happen? Your jump shot not the work again?
Coachy, na lock the guy takes my ball.
My mama.
Thunder fire your mouth there.
Coachy, sorry na. I don't know say the guy go sabi where I want play am.
Come on to add small power for your shot. You know fit. Now to the same market you sabi, idiot.
Koche, we hear say you dey call us.
My boys. Wetin make me call you na be say we don dey reach mid-season and I don finally perfect my master tactics for this season. Now, time don reach wey we go take back our original position for league table. This Sunday wey dey come, we go start with Chelsea. We go use them restart our 4-0 and above goal scoring campaign.
What of Timo?
See this guy, you dey watch games at all? When be the last time wey that guy Sipo score?
I no mean say him go score. Na say him fit supply ball.
No worry about that one, Joe. Just shout for him. He go throw the ball or even leave him for you, sef. Now, Gabriel Amares. Sir? I won't make Napo goals like water enter your post.
But Coachy, I hear say that man dey sabi keep clean sheet oh.
No be only clean sheet him they keep. Him they keep clean peace and for me join.
For the beginning of this season, I been talk say our aim na to carry this season premiership. But now, see where we dey for table. A whole blues. Una like am like that?
No, sir.
I say una like am like that?
No, sir.
Now, Man City they come here on Sunday to see whether them go see point for our hand collect. When I go greet them.
No, sir.
Zoom here.
Sir?
If them play any set piece, ba, I won't make you there for air. They wait for the ball to come meet your head.
Okay, sir.
And for you, Timo, if you no go find your scoring form for that match, ba, na bib and dressing room you go start to decline to take compensate for the money wey dem take buy.
Abeg, make una calm down. No need to shoot anybody.
Why ain't go dey talk anyhow? Me and you, na who no serious pass?
At least no be me waste 250 million euros. Still dey ninth for table.
To under fire your grandpapa, Ateta, abeg order me that your gun. Make I shoot respect enter this guy head. So, because you manage the second,
Net take that thing again. I did first, and then the manager take reach there.
you draw Man City, draw me. Come lose to Arsenal wey been dey struggle. Even this useless Mourinho wey dey here trash you for your house. You know the shame.
Respect yourself, oh.
Arsenal no flaggy for your house. You which big team you don't win.
No worry nah. She been a wounded Liverpool dey go first. You go still collect.
Fairwear, them Ben and well.
No talk that one near my side though. Because if you talk anyhow, I go show you the real devil.
She been a Sunday we could play. Person get cry, get health.
Mama tell me say, make I tell you say make you dey start me for serious match. Based on say na me dey keep clean sheet now. Go tell your mama say, Oga Abramovich tell me say, make I tell you say, make you no ever tell me say, make I start you for any serious match. Based on say, na you be the most useless goalkeeper for Chelsea history, and the opposite of clean sheet na keeper. But Kochi, shut up there and carry this your nonsense leg come out from my office. So, because you manage struggle for your whole life, keep one fake clean sheet. Now him you get mind they give me ultimatum. Now be say na better thing we play sef. Morikombe. Division 100 team, now you touch in a Division 4 team, not be 100. Yeah, Papa. Come out for here, Joe. Division 4 goalkeeper.
Now who I will come use get small content now? All of them just a vex. Oga Breathwaite, you get small time?
What do you want talk?
Thank God. Oga Breathwaite, what you get to talk about una performance for today game?
Now only one person cause make we lose today game.
Now who be that?
Now Messi na. The guy no dey fit. Our useless coach go carry am still put for match. You know see our last match where we play Real Sociedad? We win them na, and Messi no even play the match. And those guys strong pass this nonsense Athletic Bilbao. Make Messi do sharp come out safe. Make I carry that in number 10 jersey, show them wetin I fit do.
You be big fool. So now this thing I get to talk about Messi. Thunder go fire you today. I go report you.
Wait first na.
Lie, I must report.
But as na you be coach, you know if you bench person wey no gree play wetin you send am? Or maybe discipline them sef?
Him fit. Them burn am where? You want make Chiellini and Bonucci block am for Lord? Him not get mind discipline anybody nah. Now the players they discipline am. Not be him they coach the boys. Now the boys they coach am.
Oga Abramovich! Good afternoon, sir. How the family, sir? How the children, sir? How work, sir? Oh, the club? The club dey fine, sir. We even recently watered the pitch, sir. And we clean the seats where fans go sit down when them start today. Oga Abramovich, you never reach like that, nah. Just give us 5 more league games. We go top table. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. No problem, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Oga Ole, how body they do you now wey una don comot Liverpool for FA Cup? And it can't be like say na only we una sabi win these days.
I swear, you don't even get idea as Betty the take do me now. I remember when I still dey arrange the team so that them go fit gel well. If we just draw and lose one match, people get to take LA out. Now when they don't see the fruit of my labor, LDML don't change. They can't even detect say na not smell things we sabi win. Now when we don't win Premiership champions Liverpool, na God get punish LDML.
Some people see they talk say as una team dey form now, say una never see reach to carry Premier League. And the table una dey on top na temporary something. Unto say the real league winners go soon come comot una for there. Wetin you get to tell these people?
All these people where they take these things there. First of all, na tender go disintegrate all the teeth where they take all these nonsenses. So that na early Ekemo then go feed their drink for the rest of their lives. Secondly, I see they gel the team. By the time I finish with the team, anybody wey hear Red Devils get piece for pence as they shake.
But make I ask una, e get the kind wound where you go wound Tolo where you no go fit kill and put for stew?
No, sir.
But Kochi, Tolo don't pursue you before.
What do you mean by that question?
Me I just dey talk because those things na cultists too. If them pursue you here, you go forget the stew chop your rice like that.
Come on, shut up there. Who ask you? Wetin I dey talk be say, if na wound Burnley and Man U wound them, we na kill, we go kill them. Hey! Oya, Harrison.
Sir?
Remember our drill. If una just score one goal, everybody go pack the most expensive bus wey we fit pack. Even if them dash una go say make una score, leave them. No score anything. Na trap them one set. One goal don do us to take collect 3 points. As long as say the bus wey we pack still dey intact. If dem wan dash us go, make dem use their hands score am.
But Kochi, remember wetin dem do us the last time wey we pack bus?
Leave that one. Na because say una no pack the bus well. The way why I take say make una pack am.